The 4500 PSI professional electric pressure washer with Pro Pump technology is a powerhouse built for serious cleaning, delivering 4 GPM of high pressure water thanks to a 2000-watt motor and 20-foot real rubber hose for quick connect nozzle 0, 15, 25, 40, 500 ml foam cannon or metal lens. German engineered component that double its lifespan compared to standard model with leak-proof metal hose, adapter, a 22 ml metal spout, and a double O-ring with high-pressure hose. It's designed for durability and a hassle-free experience. The total stop system save energy and extend motor life while the IP X5 waterproof rating and built-in GFCI ensure safety.